Hey guys, this is TechnoGenuine. So today we're gonna be doing an installation of tempered glass from HeroShield, one of the best tempered glass. You have anti-spy tempered glass and anti-glare tempered glass. So let us just unbox these and show you how it looks like. So inside you get this awesome cloth exclusively for those who bought this tempered glass. And let's just see how awesome it looks. So you can see it looks very nice and premium, and it has this HeroShield logo, which I think looks amazing. And so here we have a tempered glass, and we'll show you guys in just a moment. So here you have a user manual as well as a tutorial just by scanning this barcode. And then from inside you have some of these alcohol cleaning cloth and whatnot. Here you have earbuds to clean any excessive adhesive, and 3 adhesive, and then there's 1 small portion of adhesive liquids. Here is this awesomeness UV LED, which is the main purpose of this entire video. And I do appreciate the fact that HeroShield packed this product very well. And inside this you have 2 tempered glass. So this is an anti-glare glass. So let me just show you here very quick. As you can see, this is the anti-glare glass. Well, this one is the anti-spy, which is basically a privacy glass. So let me just show you how it looks like. You can see it looks very nice, and it should protect your privacy from your friends or strangers while you're using your phone. So the first step is to make sure that you just remove any unwanted stuff from your table. Make sure you have your device itself naked, without the back case or tempered glass. If there is any, please make sure you remove it, an adapter, and then your tools. So what you have to do is to first take out one of these installation tools, just by taking out just like so. Just put this to one side. So from here you get the following, so the sticker to remove the dirt, then another sticker here, then the alcohol to wipe your device. And again, a cloth, which is a very great addition from HeroShield. Thanks HeroShield. So just keep this one ready here, and then just remove your sticker, then earbuds, just take it out just like so. Just keep it ready, just in case. And then here also, now connect your UV LED. So once you have your UV LED ready, just keep it. So now what we're going to do is to keep the phone here, keep everything, just give some place of space. And now just take out your cloth and keep it just like so. Then keep your phone on the top. And so now what you have to do is take out these, just like that, and rinse your phone. Make sure that you don't leave any dirt or any adhesive on your phone. So use dryer cloth. Just to make sure that there's no dirt. Now take out the adhesive. Make sure that your table's aligned so that your adhesive doesn't spill. So this is the part. Let us just keep that to the side and keep the tempered glass ready. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take this out and keep this to a side. And just double check that your phone doesn't have any dirt. And now let us begin. So once the drop is done, just take this and keep it on its side. Just double check that you don't have any dirt on your phone. Then simply take your tempered glass, then make sure you try to align it as best as you can. Then you release it. So you can just play around, making sure that it is perfect. And just take this earbuds just to make sure that it doesn't affect the headphones, or it doesn't touch any of these buttons. And once you see that the entire tempered glass is covered and there's no remaining place where there's no adhesive covered, then just simply hold down this button and keep it for 30 seconds. So it looks good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this just like that. Then just keep the rest item to the side. And then you can simply add this. Just hold the button and keep it just like that until the lid turns off. Then go on the middle, then the end. Then we'll show you the next step. So yeah, that's basically it. Now let us just check the phone itself and we'll just finalize it very quick. Check up your phone, make sure that there's no extra adhesive on the edges. If there's any, just clean it with the alcohol. As you can see, it looks very nice and it is in very high quality. And so now let us just open up the device just to see how it looks like. And honestly, it looks very nice and there's less reflection. So as you can see, it looks very nice.